So here's a little trick. If you wanna hide any folder, any file, just go to your default file manager. Any file manager will do. For the sake of this video tutorial, let's say I wanna hide this folder right here, the black player. I wanna hide this folder. I don't want anyone to touch this folder, to get remotely to this folder. So what I wanna do now is long press it and click the rename option. You don't have to do anything, just put a dot at the front letter and click done. And now you can see my folder black player is nowhere to be found. But if you want to get to the folder yourself, click the three dots and go to the settings, and sometimes in your life you will bump into this feature called show hidden files. Just enable it, and now you can see there it is, my black player folder.